Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today Connor and I went to FiveBelow, just grabbed a few things. I only lacked a couple more gifts until being done, and I am done Christmas shopping. I'd been wanting to get Connor Trouble, and today we found a Jurassic World version, and they call it the pop-up game. But basically this is Trouble, and I'll be honest, I thought about keeping this for his birthday because his birthday's in February, but well, I'm just gonna let him have it for Christmas. And if this hadn't have been Jurassic World, I'll be honest, I probably wouldn't have picked it up, and would eventually probably picked up the original Trouble, but I snatched it up. This was the last one they had, and yeah, I've already told you, he loves dinosaurs. And then another gift I needed to buy, he's the oldest one. I didn't really know what to do with him, so I just thought I would go to FiveBelow and look around and see what we find. And I found these flash headphones, and they are color changing LED headphones. They were $5.55. This was $5. This is for the oldest one in our bunch, and then the second oldest one in the bunch. He really likes Legos, and I saw this and I thought this is a perfect, and I've stated before, our price range is like $5 to $10, so these gifts are like perfect. And this is a Blocko Build and Go storage case, 6+, and I thought this was really neat, and I'm kicking myself now because I'm definitely going to go back and get Connor one for his birthday. He loves Legos too, and this would be perfect for him to store his Legos and be playing with them on top of the case as well. He especially loves the little men mostly, but he does like to build too. But I got this for another little boy in our family, and it also pulls out like a drawer, so I thought that was really neat. Obviously the blocks are not included, but it's a carrying case and has that little drawer and stuff, and I just thought this was fantastic. And handle, yes. And then I saw they had some new palettes out. I've never tried smoke and mirrors. The last time I went to FiveBelow also, I did not pick up anything makeup related there. Didn't feel drawn to anything, so I didn't pick anything up. Today I found this 18 shade eyeshadow kit, Soft Glam, from Smoke and Mirrors, $5. And I love what it said inside. I didn't choose the Glam Life. The Glam Life chose me. And yeah, so okay, to be fair, I do have the Hard Candy Blissful Nudes palette, which is very similar to this, but I couldn't help myself. I don't know, I'm so drawn to this kind of thing right now. The soft glam, everyday kind of look. And I just thought that even though this is similar and it's probably a slight dupe for that Huda Beauty Nudes palette, I don't know, but I just thought we'd try it out. Just have some of those pressed glitters in there. The names are fun. And overall, I was kind of, you know, just intrigued. And it's Smoke and Mirrors. Like I said, I've never tried anything from them, so I am excited to do so. Yeah, that is my FiveBelow haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for always watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.